Right now, beneath the surface of the markets, a perfect storm is brewing for Bitcoin. One that won't just hit crypto traders, but could send shockwaves across the entire economy. If you think Bitcoin is just a niche asset, or a passing trend, think again. Today, I'll break down exactly why the coming months could change everything for Bitcoin, and why it matters to everyone. Because whether you own Bitcoin or not, the consequences of this storm could ripple into your savings, your job, your investments, and even the way money itself works. Inflation, debt, government crackdowns, tech breakthroughs, and a major shift in global finance are all colliding at once. Bitcoin is sitting dead center. Let me show you what's happening. These forces aren't isolated events, they're interconnected, amplifying each other's effects. In this video, we're going to unpack how each one is setting the stage for massive disruption, and why Bitcoin could either be the lifeboat, or get caught in the flood. Part 1. Economic pressure mounting. First, global debt is exploding. Governments are printing money to keep economies alive, but inflation is eroding trust in fiat currencies. People are looking for alternatives. Gold? Yes. But increasingly, Bitcoin, too. It's borderless, scarce, and doesn't care about central banks. When everyday people can't trust their savings to hold value, they search for something that can't be devalued by policy decisions. Bitcoin offers a decentralized, transparent alternative that's gaining credibility faster than ever before. Part 2. Regulatory clampdown. Second, governments are starting to crack down hard. New regulations are targeting crypto exchanges, privacy coins, and self-custody wallets. The goal? Control. They see Bitcoin not just as a tech asset, but as a threat to financial power. These moves could cause massive short-term volatility, but could also prove why decentralized money matters even more. Every law passed, every exchange scrutinized, is a reminder that financial freedom is fragile. Bitcoin's resistance to censorship could be its strongest feature yet. Part 3. Institutional adoption growing. Third, the biggest financial players on the planet are moving in. BlackRock, Fidelity, JP Morgan, all quietly building Bitcoin infrastructure. They're preparing for a future where Bitcoin isn't a fringe idea, but a core part of the financial system. Institutional adoption means bigger money, but it also means Bitcoin will be tied to traditional finance in ways it never was before. The old world of finance is trying to absorb Bitcoin, and in doing so, they could either legitimize it or distort it. Part 4. Technology and halving cycle. Fourth, Bitcoin's technology keeps evolving. Lightning Network is scaling fast, making Bitcoin usable for everyday transactions. And don't forget, another Bitcoin halving is on the horizon. Less Bitcoin being created, while demand could be exploding. Classic supply and demand. Every halving cycle in Bitcoin's history has led to explosive growth, but this time, it's happening alongside unprecedented global economic instability. The perfect setup for a major move upward, but also a test of Bitcoin's resilience like never before. Part 5. The global shift. Finally, globally, we're seeing a shift. Some countries are embracing Bitcoin as legal tender. Others are rolling out central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, programmable money with total control. The choice will be clear: opt into surveillance money, or opt out with decentralized money like Bitcoin. It's not just a financial decision anymore, it's a philosophical one. How much control are you willing to give up for convenience? Bitcoin's role as an opt-out system will only become more important in the years ahead. A perfect storm is brewing. Inflation, regulation, adoption, technology, and geopolitics are all colliding. Bitcoin is no longer just an investment. It's becoming a line in the sand. In the next few years, every single one of us will feel the impact. The only question is, will you be ready? Make sure to stay informed, stay curious, and stay ahead. Subscribe for more deep dives on Bitcoin, finance, and the future.